Hello and Happy New Year's. This is Tyler with Theater Design Company. Going to give you a unboxing video of the Audiocontrol Savoy G4 4-channel power amplifier. This amplifier can do 4-channel, 2.1 channel, or 2-channel high power. In our case, we're using the 2-channel high powered mode on one of the amplifiers to run our left and right speakers, which should give our clip speakers about 600 watts apiece. And then we'll take the second Savoy G4, we'll run that in basically a 2.1 channel mode. The 2-channel will run our rear surrounds, and the 1-channel bridge mode will run the center channel to equal out the left and rights at about 600 watts again. Audiocontrol, if you don't know nothing about them, look them up right now. It's definitely some of the highest quality equipment you can get for home theater. Both sound and aesthetics are outstanding. Hope you liked the video. Thanks a lot.